Hello guys, this is Harshi from KAREEMM's YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna explain you how to turn off auto-generated captions on YouTube. Okay, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Firstly, log into your studio app. Create a studio. Now, just go to settings. Here you can see channel. Go to your channel and then go to advanced settings and scroll down. Then you will see auto generated captions. Just uncheck on this because I already unchecked auto generated captions. You just need to uncheck those options and click on save. This is how you can turn off auto generated captions on YouTube. Thank you for watching.